She has taken her innovative doll line and expanded it into the world of superheroes. We welcome back Dr. Lisa Williams, founder of the Fresh Dolls, with an exciting announcement. Your dolls, Dr. Lisa, are already unique and expressive in fashion, hairstyle, and representative kids of the entire spectrum. So what is this new announcement you've got for us?
Oh my gosh. Well, the new announcement is that we did the Black Panther Wakanda Forever collector doll series.
Congratulations.
And we were so excited. Not only did we create them, but we actually won the highest award in the industry. We won what we call the Oscar in Toys, which is the Toy of the Year Award.
Congratulations.
So we're just absolutely thrilled.
When did you start Fresh Dolls?
Believe it or not, I have been doing these dolls for about 20 years.
But when did they hit the market and really started to find their stride?
When they really, well, you know what? They continue to increase every single year. But really, I'd say over the last 5 years, it's like people really began to take notice of the Fresh Dolls and all the things that we're doing.
5 years, and here you are with the highest award in the toy industry. How does that make you feel as a business owner, for one?
Oh my God. You know what? In life, there are these certain times that I call pinchable moments. This is a pinchable moment. I mean, to be able to create characters that you fell in love with, the Black Panther characters, I fell in love with when I saw them on screen.
Yeah.
And so fast forward a few years later, we are asked to create these iconic, amazing female characters. Pinch me, will you please? It was a fantastic opportunity.
Can you show us an example of the new dolls?
Well, yes, I can, as a matter of fact. Let me start by saying, when we created the characters, we wanted them all to be authentic. I mean, that's what EPI is known for, is authenticity. And so one of the characters in particular, Nakia, had locks. Locks did not exist in the industry at all. And so to be authentic, we had to create them. And so I'm going to show you this patent pending technique. And so this is Nakia.
Oh, look at that.
You can see her.
Oh, she's just
Once
beautiful.
again, she won, as with all of her other characters, for Black Panther, one doll of the year.
That's
but
amazing.
Look at that hair.
I love her costume too. Oh yeah, that's amazing.
Gosh,
the hair looks so realistic.
It is. It's just like real locked hair.
Wow.
You can see the sheen and the texture, and it feels real too.
That's incredible.
And you're right about the costumes. They're taken right off the screen. I mean, exactly how Nikita Nyong'o is wearing the outfit in the film.
And you have 3 of them. So you have Nakia, but then you also have the other 2.
Of course, Nakia, we have Shuri and Okoye.
Fantastic. That's amazing. And you're always innovating. You're always bringing out new product. So what just came out last month?
Oh my gosh, Layla, we just came out with Fresh Fairies, and they're like the hottest thing out there now. Everybody is collecting them if you look on social media. Here's just one of them. They're multicultural fairies. So if you see them, you'll see that this one has Bantu knots. They all have little wings. They have keychains where you can put them on your backpack or your keys or even as Christmas ornaments. I mean, they're all different, and they all have unique fashions, unique hairstyle, and of course, custom blended skin tone.
I love that. And I love it because you are representing everybody. You're not leaving anyone out. For people who want more information, where should they go to find your dolls?
Oh, well, you can find our dolls at Target, Walmart, and of course, thefreshdolls.com.
Wonderful. Dr. Lisa, you've done a fantastic job. I can't wait to see what else you come out with.
Oh, Layla, it's always a joy to talk to you. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
I love my dolls. You're great. Thank you so much, Dr. Lisa. We'll be back after this.